Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to make chicken biryani. Tasty chicken biryani. So let's make it. The ingredients for chicken biryani are here. So let's start with the spices. This is a plate full of spices. So I've taken 4 to 5 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of cumin, whole cumin, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoon or one and a half tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of currum, 3 to 4 green cardamom, 3 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder. Then you can see over here I have also taken yellow color required for the dum procedure. Then of course the essence, biryani essence, biryani masala, shan biryani masala or any biryani masala you like, just ready-made packet. I'll just use 1 to 2 tablespoons and that's it, not all of it. In a bowl you can see I've taken ginger, garlic and green chili paste. So it's almost 3 tablespoons collectively. Now we have 1 kg tomatoes paste and 1 kg onion chop, and of course we'll have 1 and 1.5 kg chicken, then 1 kg chicken and 1 kg of rice. So let's start making. So in a pot I've taken almost 250 ml of oil, cooking oil, and then I've added the onions and I'm frying it. So once they are fried, then we do the rest of the procedure. Now you can see the onion are nicely golden brown, so that the color must not be more darker than this one. This is the point at which I'll be adding ginger, garlic and chili paste. So let's fry it a little bit. Don't overcook it. Just fry. Once you feel the aroma of nice aroma of ginger, garlic and red chili powder. See, I'm frying it. I'll just add a little bit of water. Then tomatoes. And whole masala. I'll be cooking it for a while and then I'll show you the result. Now you can see the masala is properly cooked. Oil is floating on the surface. So it means the masala is properly done. I've also added the ready-made masala, biryani masala, 2 tablespoons in it. The point of adding, this is the secret tip of adding ready-made biryani masala, because we normally in our kitchen don't have all the spices, so it's better to add 2 tablespoons of ready-made masala. So whatever is left and it's not available in a kitchen, so we normally add in the masala mixture. Now at that point of time I'll be adding chicken. You can see it's fully defrosted. Now I'll be adding it. Let the masala is mixed in it and we'll cook it for a while. Now you can see after adding chicken and cooking for about 20 minutes, 20 to 15 minutes, the oil is floating on the surface The chicken is almost half cooked. So this is the point of the stove. The biryani masala is ready. Then we'll move to the second step of making biryani. Okay. Now let's move toward the second part of biryani, the dum procedure. So the ingredients for boiling rice are: I've taken 2 tablespoons of salt, a few bay leaves, 3 black cardamom, a few round black pepper, a few cinnamon sticks, and 6 to 7 cloves. So I'll be adding them to the boiling water, and then we'll be boiling rice in that specific water. I've taken a pot and I've half filled it with water, and the ingredients that I've shown you I've added all to it. So once the water gets started boiling, then I'll be adding rice. Now I've added rice to the water. Now let it boil, and then I'll show you to the next. Now see, I've layered all the chicken. Now the rest of rice, I'll be pouring the rest of the rice, and now putting it on dum. Let's do the dum procedure. So this is my special equipment. I'll place it on a stove. Check the stove. It's at very low flame. I'll boil rice. You can see the rice in the pot. So half of rice are there and half are in the basket. So over here I'll be putting layer of chicken. Slowly I'll be putting. I'm pouring a few drops of Biryani Essence, and then yellow powder, and I'll be putting it on dum. Now you can see, after dum procedure for almost like 15 minutes dum, this is the end result. Now let me dish it out for you and show you. Tasty biryani is ready to be served. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.